In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can move a single column or a block of columns within your Excel data, and also a single row or a block of rows within your Excel data. So I've got this data set here. I want to move the room type, which is in column E, to the left of column B host in. So what we do is we select column E, the room type, you press the shift key, then move your cursor so it goes from a white cross to a black cross here to the left of column E. Then while you put the shift key down, move it to the left of column B hold since. And then you would have moved the room type to the left of the hold since column. Now what I'm going to do now is I want to move the city column and the property column to the left of column C. So this time we highlight both columns, columns D and column E. Then again we press the shift key and then we wait until the white cross becomes a black cross, and then move it to the left to the whole synth column, and you've moved it correctly using the shift key. I want to move the room type now to the right of column C, so we highlight column B and press shift key. This time we move the cursor so it's at the right of the room type column, then drag it to the right of column C, and so this time you move the room type to the right of column C. And it's also the same principle applies to rows as well. So for example, I've got this row here and I want to move it to below row 9, so press shift key again, and then we wait until the white cross becomes a black cross and move it down to below row 9. Let's do a block of rows. Let's do rows 5 to 8, and we want to move it down further. Same principle. We want to move it down to below row 12, and you moved it successfully below row 12. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video.